Is Soulmask not launching or crashing on your PC? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix the issue and get your game running again. Solution 1. Verify game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Soulmask. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now wait for Steam to scan and repair any corrupted files. Solution 2. Change Launch Options. Now click on Play. When the Launch Options window appears, try selecting between DirectX 12, DirectX 11, Safe Mode. Test each option and check if one of them allows the game to launch properly. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to update your graphics driver. Solution 4. Update NVIDIA drivers. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App, then open it. Go to the Drivers tab, click on Check for Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and find vc_redist.x86, vc_redist.x64. Download both files. Once downloaded, double-click vc_redist.x64. Accept the terms and click Yes. Wait for it to install, then click Close. Don't restart yet. Now double-click vc_redist.x86. Click Yes, accept the terms, and install it. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Soulmask and check if the issue is fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you still have any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.